Hello Bacha Party, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start with Part 5 of Chapter 8, Mapping Your Way, in which we are going to study our last topic, that is Ash's school, which include Map 7 and Map 8. Okay, this is very interesting topic of this chapter. So let's start with the Ash's school. Ash's school looks like this from the top. Okay, here map 7 is given, which is nothing but the map of Ash's school, which is in the form of 1 centimeter grid. Okay, here squares are of 1 centimeter each. Now let's see what map includes. It includes hall, assembly ground, garden, then different classes like 3rd A, 5th, 2nd, 9th, 7th, 6th A, 3rd B, and different classes are given. Then they have given us playground, office, and main gate of the school. So this is the map of Ash's school, which is nothing but map 7. I hope you are now clear with all the area of this map. Now the first question related to this is, how many times bigger is the area of assembly ground than that of the office? So first we have to locate assembly ground and office in the map. So here it is assembly ground. Okay, as you can see I have circled it, and at the bottom here is the office. So here as you can see, office consists of 3 complete square, and now we have to compare it with assembly ground. So for that we have to calculate the complete square of assembly ground. So let's calculate it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So here we can say that assembly ground consists of 15 complete square. So as you can see that 3 5s are 15, and from that we can say that assembly ground is 5 times bigger than the office area. Is it clear Bacha Party? How we have calculated both the areas of assembly ground and office? Now the next question is, how much is the length and width of each classroom? So here you can say that the dimension of each classroom, whether it is 3A, 3B, 5th, 6th, whatever class you choose, each class has same dimension. That means length and width of each classroom is same. And for that they have given us some option, like option A 5 meter length, 4 meter width. Option B or 2, option 2 is 2 meter length, 1 meter width. Option 3 12 meter length, 10 meter width, and last option is 5 meter width, 5 meter length. Okay, so let's see. Here they have given us length in meter, but as you can see our grid is of centimeter. So first we have to find in centimeter, then we have to convert in it meter. Is it clear Bacha Party? So for that let's calculate the length and width of each classroom. For example say 6th A. Now from the map we can say that the length of the class is around 2 centimeter because it occupies 2 square, and 2 centimeter we already know it is equal to 5 meters, so the length is 5 meter. And now for breadth I have calculated it, it is around 1.6 centimeter. You can use scale to measure it. Okay, now we have to convert this 1.6 centimeter into meter. For that we already know 2 centimeter is equal to 5 meter. So what will be the 1 centimeter? It will be half of 5 meter, that is 2.5 meter. And for 1.6 centimeter we have to multiply it by 2.5. So after multiplying it will become 4 meter. So the option A will be our answer, that is length is equal to 5 meter and breadth or width is equal to 4 meter. Is it clear Bacha Party? Now coming to the next question. For next question, they have given us map 8, which is nothing but map of classroom. Each classroom in Ashish school looks like this only. Okay. That means each classroom must have blackboard, then it must have windows, almirah, then display board, then notice board, then the following benches, desk and the door. Okay, so each classroom must consist of this many things. Now based on this there are some question, out of which the first question is which is just opposite of blackboard. So as you can see in the map, the blackboard is there and exactly opposite to blackboard. So we can say in the map the exactly opposite to blackboard is the display board. Okay, so exactly opposite to the blackboard is display board. Now the next question is, now look at the school map again. Guess and mark where would this be. Okay, so we have to mark blackboard in class 3A and 7. So for that we have to look for map 7 and we have to remember this map 8. Where is the blackboard, where is the window and where is the door. So we can say that blackboard is between the windows and the door. Okay, so remember that. So for that class 3 and 7 we have to look for map 7. So first locate class 3A and class 7. So we have discussed the blackboard is between windows and the door. So let me zoom in for you. So let's take in class 3A. Here are the window and here are the doors. So the blackboard is here. Okay, so the blackboard is between the windows and the door. And for class 7 windows are here and door is here. So the blackboard will be here. So as you can see we have shown blackboard in class 3A as well as in class 7. Now coming to the next question, we have to guess and mark almirah. Okay, so as you can see almirah is nearer or adjacent to the windows. Okay, next to windows and next to display board. Remember this. Or we can say that it is exactly cross to the door, diagonally cross to the door. Okay, so let's locate in class 6 and class 10 where is almirah. For that again we have to look for map 7 and let me zoom in for you. Where is class 6 and class 10? So as we have already discussed, almirah is exactly cross, diagonally cross to door. So it will be around here and we have already known it is adjacent or next to the windows in class 6. And similarly for class 10 it will be exactly diagonally cross to door or next to windows. So it will be here. Okay, so the next we have to locate notice board in class 5th. Okay, so the notice board is next to the door. Okay, if there is a classroom then it will be next to door. So we have to locate in 5th and 6th B. Okay, so where is 5th standard? Here is 6B and here is 5th standard. So we have already seen it is exactly next or adjacent to door. So in class 5th the blackboard will be here and the notice board that is next to the door or adjacent to the door. And for class 6B it will be, here will be the blackboard and next to the door is nothing but notice board. Is it clear bacha party how we have located the notice board? You have to be careful about each and every object. Is it clear? Now we have to next locate last seat of middle row in class 2. So in the middle row last seat is exactly opposite or exactly in front of the display board. As you can see it is exactly in front of display board. Okay, So we have to locate in class 2. So in the map, where is class 2? Yeah, here is the class 2. So we have already discussed, it is exactly in front of display board. So we have already seen the blackboard is between windows and door, and opposite to that is display board, and in front of display board here it will be our last bench. Is it clear? And now the last thing we have to locate in the map is display board in the class 1. So we have already seen it is exactly opposite to blackboard. So first we have to find class 1, and the blackboard is between windows and door, and exactly opposite to that there is display board. Is it clear, bacha party? So you have to just remember the position of each and every object in the classroom, okay? And the last question is, can a child sitting in a third A see the playground? Okay, for that we have to look map 7 and we have to locate class 3A. So here is class 3A and here is the playground. So we can say that the student of class 3A can see assembly ground from the windows, okay? Not a playground or not a garden they can see. So from that we can say that the children of class 3A cannot see the playground. And you have to answer one more question for me, that is, can a child sitting in class 8 see the main gate? So here you have to locate class 8 and see whether they can see the main gate or not, okay? With this we have completed our chapter 8, that is mapping your way. I hope all the maps and all the questions are clear to you, and if still anyone has any doubt, please comment down below or message me so we can solve your doubt. And from exam point of view, prepare maps and question, okay? The questions are based on only maps, okay, for this chapter. So till next chapter, stay healthy, stay fit, take care, bye bye, Jai Hind.